Ate is forming a puzzle. This is how the puzzle should look like. I think we have a bigger picture here. So this is the puzzle, and it has plenty of pieces. Okay, I don't know how many pieces, but these are plenty of pieces. Although there are numbers at the back, like this one, but we're not doing the numbers. We'll just form. Okay, so Ate has already formed the top 4 pieces on top. Okay, Ate, you continue with the giraffe. Okay, so this is not the giraffe. I think you could try this one. So look, this should form like that. This is the giraffe. Oh no, this is a picture. So you should copy this one. So the giraffe should look like that. Okay, so how about this one? Can you try this? Those are the pieces of the giraffe. How about this one, Ate? Oh, I think that could fit. No, over here, Ate. Oh, this one. And that too. Okay, that's good. And then, how about that one? So it's near the giraffe. The panda and the giraffe are near. Yes. Okay. It's. How about that one? Can you try that over there? Oh, you try the panda. Oh, these are the pieces of the panda bear. If you find the giraffe difficult, so you could try the other animals. Okay, form the panda. I think. How about there? I think you could fit it there. Like that. Okay, and then oh, that's good, Ate. Oh no, that's not correct. You try the other way. Oh, that's good. Oh no, that's not correct. Oh, it's correct. Oh, Ate, you're doing good. How about this one? Wow. Oh, can you now form the giraffe? Look at the giraffe, Ate. Oh. I think you could form the giraffe already. Can you try it in the giraffe? Okay. Oh, try it in the giraffe if it fits. Oh no, that's not giraffe. Let's look for the other pieces. This is also for the giraffe. Are the pieces complete pa? Oh, this is the giraffe. Oh, try that one. If they fit. No. How about this one? Is that for the giraffe? Oh, that's good. Bea also wants to play. No, Bea can join us. How about here, Ate? Oh, can you fit it there? Oh no, that's not. Huh? Is that correct? Wow, that's correct. Oh no, it does not fit. Oh no, how about here? Can you do it like that here? Okay. Oh, that's not correct. Oh, that's not correct, Ate. No, that's not correct. You try the other one. I look for the pieces of the chicken.
No, not one.
This one?
No.
Okay, that's not good. Alright, and let's try the chicken. Is this a chicken? Oh no, that's not the chicken.
No.
Is this for the chicken? We're looking for the. Oh no, it's not a chicken. Or the pieces complete. I think it's not anymore complete. Oh, how about to try? You can you try it there? Oh no, that's not correct.
Here.
Oh, clouds. How about here? That's a cloud.
Yeah.
And this one too? Is that the final piece? Alright, that's good. Oh, we could now form the lion.
I know.
Oh, here's the lion. These are the pieces of the lion. Oh, I think you should try it there. Is that correct? Oh, that's... Oh, is that a lion? Oh, that's... Yeah. Oh, there's also the tree. This is part of the tree. Alright. Then we have to look for the eye of the lion. Is it still here? Uh-oh. Are the pieces, sorry, are the pieces complete, ate? I think some pieces are missing. Oh, here's a piece. Oh, look at that. Alright. Okay, that's good. And then, how about this one? Okay. You try the feet of the lion? That's the feet. And this one too. Those are the parts of the feet.
Not one.
How about this one, ate? I think it can fit there.
It is green.
Alright. That's good.
Oh no, it is.
Oh, this is the turtle. I think you could fit the turtles. Look at the turtle is over here. Oh, okay, that's good. Is that correct? No, that's correct. Is that really correct? Oh, that's correct.
Oh no,
Oh. Let's look for the frog. I think I found the frog. Oh, this is part of the frog. Oh, Bea. Hi, Bea.
Yeah.
Alright. Bea, we'll finish the puzzle first with ate. Oh, that's not correct, ate. It does not fit.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. How about here? Oh, no.
No.
No. Oh, okay, Bea wants to join us. But you can't join us, Bea. You should watch the TV first. Let's just change the TV. Okay, just continue with the puzzle, ate.
It's turtle. Me. Turtle.
Okay, have you found the other pieces?
Oh, it is here.
How about there? Can it fit there? Is that correct? Oh, I think it can fit. Oh, that's good. Okay, the top part is almost complete. Yes, the upper half of the figure. I think this is for the chicken. Okay. Alright, that's good. Okay, what shall we do next? Okay, this is quite tricky. We have to complete... Oh, I think this is for the chicken, ate. Look, try it. Oh, that's good. It fits. Then... I think it will fit it here. Or the other where? Oh, I think that's good. Is that correct? Oh, that's correct. Yes, very good. This is. I think this is for the giraffe again. No, here. Now try it here. Not the other way. Turn it around. That's good. Wow, that's good. Ate, you're doing great. Let's look for the feet. Is this the feet? We should be able to find the feet. Oh, I think that's correct.
Hey.
Alright. Oh, it fits. Okay, can you complete the feet? Is it for the feet? No, it won't fit.
Oh no.
I think it's here. It's for the jaguar.
No.
Now, okay, let's try this one. How about this? About here? No? No, it won't fit.
Oh no.
How about this one? Can this fit? How about here? I think this is wrong. That's correct. How about that? Okay, I was wrong. Okay, that's good, ate. How about this one? I think it can fit already. Okay, I think some pieces are missing. Okay. How about we do the monkey? Oh, that's correct. I think you could do the monkey nate. These are the pieces of the monkey. Hey, Bea. I want to change the TV. Okay, let's have. Do you want Moana?
No, not.
Ano, I'm talking to Bea.
Oh no, it's not pretty here.
I just continue ate ha. I'm changing the TV
No,
muna.
no, no, not there.
No, finish the monkey. I think you could complete the monkey.
I
Uh, where's the I think the monkey. I think you could complete the monkey na ate.
No.
No? Look look at the monkey. Oh no, that's not correct pala. Okay, let's forget about the monkey. Oh, here's the face of the monkey. I think it could fit it here. Oh no, that's good. I think the monkey will fit here. No. You put the monkey here first, Oh, like that. That's good. And then I think you could connect it here. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no, there's a small piece yet. We could complete that later, ate. Oh, very good. Ate's doing good. How about this one?
Yeah.
Alright. That's great. Oh no, I think you're almost there. So, oh, ate, I think let's try it there. Oh, that's good.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, let's try now. Let's complete the butterfly. You're looking for the butterfly.
What?
Where's the butterfly? Oh, here. Okay, but something is missing. Oh, look, let's try the tiger. Let's try the tiger, ate. I think you could complete the pieces if you are able to do the tiger. Oh, that's good. You're doing great. How about this one, ate? Oh, alright. Ate's doing good. Oh, Ate's doing fast. Alright, that's good. How about this one?
Yeah.
And this one too?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright. You're almost there.
No.
That's good. Just fit that properly lang. The butterfly. Put the butterfly over here. Oh. That's good. And then how about the monkey? Oh, we should complete.
Ew.
I think some pieces are missing. Do you think? How about here? How? No, that's not good. I think it's here, ate. Oh. Can you try it there?
Here.
Oh, that's good. How about here? Alright. I think you could form now that... Is that a cheetah? Here are more pieces. How are the pieces complete, ate? I think some pieces are missing. Did you drop some pieces a while ago? Otherwise, you could not complete that one. Oh no, you're doing fast! Oh, that's the feet. Oh no, that's not feet. I think you could try it here. Or here. Oh, that's good, ate. That's correct.
No.
That's correct.
No.
No? Okay. I think I'm wrong also. Sige, you try. Don't try it like that. Alright, that's good. I think the panda has missing pieces. Alright, that's good. Wow, Ati's doing good. Ati's doing fast. Alright. Alright. 4 pieces. Oh, there's nothing missing. It's complete. Okay, alright. Just 4 pieces left. Oh, no, let's fix it muna. Like that. Oh, no, that's correct. How about you try? No? No?
Idea.
You have an idea? Alright. Wow. Oh, last 2 pieces. Wow. And the last one? Alright. Ate has finished the animal puzzle. Can you give me a high five? High five. You say, good job. Okay. This is the puzzle that Ate has made.